Not every cheap air fryer is actually worth buying. Some struggle with uneven cooking, others feel slow, noisy, or simply too small to be practical. But every now and then, you come across a few budget options that genuinely perform better than expected. And honestly, that's exactly what this list is about. These are air fryers that manage to deliver solid cooking performance without costing a fortune. So if you've been thinking about buying one, this video should make the decision a whole lot easier. Let's start with something simple. The Dash Compact Air Fryer is probably one of the easiest models to recommend for smaller kitchens. It doesn't try to be fancy, and that's actually part of the appeal. It's lightweight, compact, and incredibly easy to use. Perfect for quick snacks, frozen food, or small meals after work. And while it clearly isn't designed for large families, for 1 or 2 people, it gets the job done surprisingly well. Now, if you want something that feels a little more powerful, the Chefman TurboFry is definitely worth a look. What stands out here is how quickly it cooks, especially considering the price. It produces crispy food without requiring much effort. And unlike some cheaper air fryers, the controls actually feel responsive instead of frustrating. It's still a basic model overall, but for everyday cooking, it works better than most people expect. This is where things start feeling a little more premium. The Instant Vortex Mini has one of the cleanest designs in this price range. But more importantly, it performs consistently well. It heats up quickly, cooks evenly, and doesn't take up much counter space. And honestly, that balance between size and performance is what makes it so popular. The COSORI Lite feels like the kind of air fryer most people end up keeping for years. The design looks modern, the controls are simple, and everything feels polished. It also handles everyday cooking really well, whether it's fries, chicken, or frozen snacks. The results are consistently crispy, without much guesswork. And for the price, it honestly feels more premium than it should. And then there's the Ninja Air Fryer, which honestly still feels like one of the safest recommendations you can make right now, because it simply does everything well. Fast cooking, excellent crispiness, easy controls, and reliable performance. It's the kind of air fryer that just works. And while it isn't the absolute cheapest option, the overall experience easily justifies the price, especially if you plan on using it regularly. At the end of the day, the best budget air fryer really depends on what matters most to you. Compact size, faster cooking, or overall value. But hopefully, this list helped narrow things down. And if it did, you can find all the products linked below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.